Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a transmission that is slipping, that is not shifting fast enough, that is sluggish, guys, we'll explain what could cause that. Number one reason, guys, it could be transmission filter, right? That's the first thing that comes to your mind. But number two, guys, it could be dirty solenoids. Stay with us and we'll show you how we clean them. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop. Why, guys? Because our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by providing these videos. So please, guys, in return, subscribe, like, and drop a comment and let us know what you think about the video and the channel. So let me explain what we have here quick. Okay. This is the solenoid body out of the car, guys. Okay, you usually have a few solenoids. Okay, and I'm going to remove another one now. We have a few solenoids, and those solenoids, guys, they control different clutches. Okay, they open and close different passages, and that's where oil flows through. Now, this transmission, let me explain quick. This transmission does not even have transmission oil filter. That filter is actually hidden. It's part of the oil pump, and you have to completely remove the engine or the transmission out of the car to replace that filter. But most people will not do that. And that's a common thing, guys, for transmission nowadays, not to have a transmission filter. What will happen, guys? Your solenoids, okay, let's come a little bit closer to show you. Your solenoids, guys, okay, they have screens. You can see this screen here, okay, and the one on the front as well. That screen, guys, will actually, okay, will get dirty, it will get plugged up, and the solenoid will not be able to act fast enough for the transmission shift to happen instantaneously, and as a result, guys, you can experience sluggish, slipping transmission shifting. So, what we usually use, guys, okay, you have a couple different kinds of solenoids. Those are pressure solenoids. This is a shifter solenoid. Shifter solenoid, practically you can activate them with a 12-volt supply in most cases, but not all. You can open and close them and clean them, but the pressure solenoids never ever, guys, okay, apply any voltage because you can burn them. What I use, okay, mass airflow sensor cleaner. This thing is amazing. So you can see, guys, if it's safe for the sensor, I believe, in my opinion, it's safe for the solenoids. But once you're done cleaning, you need to let them dry really good before putting it together. Now, I want to show you, check out what is going to happen to that screen, okay, and see how clean it's going to get, okay, once I spray it. Check it out now. Do you see all the dirtiness coming out of it? Okay, this could cause, guys, slipping, transmission slipping, and hard shifting, guys. Okay, so I'm going to clean the whole thing like that. Let it dry, even clean it more, but you get the idea what needs to be done. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you having transmission problems. Please, guys, hit. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.